Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video I will show you how to make just like this effect on your photos or your images. So this is my image with my friends from the high school. I'm using Photoshop CS6. Just create a new document. Use this size, for example, 900 pixels on 600 pixels, and open your image. I will apply it as I told you on this image from the high school. I will drag and drop this image on my project. You can use any version of Photoshop. Just resize the image. Don't worry about the quality. Okay, click yes, and we'll go into choose a filter. It's called from the blur, field blur. Okay, and we will make some of huge blur here. Okay, you know what I mean? Just choose the 116 pixels or 200 and more. So just make it blurry, or just 50% or 26. Now I will choose the iris blur. Okay, just make this image blurred. So we will choose another image, the second version or second copy of the image. It will be above of this image. Okay, after that I will drop again the same image on this image. Before resize the image, you have to create a smart object of this image. Okay, I'm not doing that, but I suggest to do that and hold the shift button, okay, on the keyboard, and resize the image. Now I will make this, click here and here to center it. Now what I'm gonna do is to choose this image and click on blending options, and there is many of effects that you can explore. If you are new on Photoshop, you can use anything you want and just learn from it. Okay, now I will choose the stroke to get that effect. Now it seems like this color is not good. I will choose white color and resize it to maybe 29, and the opacity make it like 40 or 42 or 33 or something like that, to make it like blurry. Now I will do something maybe will be artistic. Add text. Okay, I will create a text. My friends, nice. I'll choose this text, change the color to like this color. Okay, and now I will choose the size of the text from here. Just click and choose the size that I want. It seems like 12. It's good, and just click on this. Okay, I will choose now the font. You can download any font you want, or you already have many of fonts on your device. I prefer to use this font. It seems like good. I will change the color to this and click here to save it. Now I will choose the opacity to make it less, like 45. Okay, it's good. And now I will just make this text centered. Okay, I will click here to zoom. Okay, now I will choose the text. Okay, it's good. Okay, nice. And that's it. now you can save by file and click on save as and choose the where you want to save it and choose JPG and give it a name. Okay, I will name it my friends. Okay, it seems like the name is wrong. Okay, and then I write the text wrong. Okay, this is what we got. This is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Said Media, and goodbye.